Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Diversified Success. You already know mi casa is your casa, my channel is your channel. Another day, another dollar. This is vlog number 4. So right now we got the chairs. We're working on the chairs. We got a bunch of working office chairs. I'll show you. Right now what I'm doing is taking all the parts out. We're gonna check it out, see what's up, and then we're gonna see if they all fit. And then all over here, these are all the chairs that we got going over here. As you guys can see, these are all office chairs. All these are chairs, and what I'm gonna do, what I gotta do is go through all of them, check out all the pieces are there, and then we're gonna move on to the screens. But we gotta see if they're all there. That way we can put them on Facebook or put them on eBay, and then we'll see what we do after then. But hopefully we can make some money, guys. We gotta stay hustling. So this chair right here, the one that's $300 is the one we got here, and we got like that one and this one. We got a few. But the thing is, it's missing a screw. It's missing one screw, and so you can't really sell it without the screw because it's gonna be incomplete. No matter how new it could be, you just can't sell it like that. And so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna see if it failed by accident. So we're gonna skip on this one and we're gonna move on to the next one. And if we end up finding it now, then we'll put it in there. But so far not bad. But just that nail pushes you back. You can't post it. You can sell it. You can still sell it, but you can't put it, you know, for a high amount because it's just for that one screw. Just for that one screw, it ruins the whole sale. We found the missing screw to this, so now this is complete. So now we're talking some money, you guys. So now we're gonna post this. We're gonna post this on 2 things. We're gonna post it on Facebook and eBay, and then the more options you got, the more chances you got of selling it. So hopefully we can sell it quick, fast, and easy, guys. So right now I'm working on this end table right here. This is out of stock, so it's good when it's out of stock because that means they can't get it anywhere else. And that's what happens. Sometimes some items get discounted because either they don't sell good or there's just, you know, they're just old and they're trying to put up new merchandise because it takes up too much shelf space. So what we're gonna do is, it looks brand new, as you guys can see. Yeah, boy, that thing brand new. You see it? So this cost $79 at Walmart. Like I said, they are out of stock, so that gives us an advantage. And then we're probably gonna put it at, you know, $60, and then you know, we'll go down, you know, if they offer us, you know, as long as we make over 50% profit margin on this, you know, anything, we're good. You know, we're in the green zone. You know, it's bad when we're in the red zone. So we gotta see how good it is, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So we're almost done with all the seats, all the chairs, the office chairs, the house chairs. So now we're gonna move on to the bigger stuff over here. So we got done, like I said, we're almost done with the, be quiet. So we're almost done with all the chairs, all the desk chairs, all that stuff. And then we're gonna move into this bigger stuff. So far the chairs were not bad. They were all complete. So we're most of them are already posted. So let's go, boys. And so now, like I said, we're gonna move into the bigger stuff now. You know, this is where the most expensive stuff is, and then it's a lot harder to flip, just because it's heavier, and you know, it's just people rather buy it brand new at the store. So I got my buddy with me, my son. Say hi. But yeah, guys, let's kill it. All right, guys. So I'm actually here at the car wash, and I'm about to go walk to the flea market with my little one. And so at the flea market, we have a booth in there. Well, my uncle does, and so I'm gonna see what we have sold so far. In the flea market, it's like a little thrift, little store, but all the little small things that we have, like the dollar things, like anything that you can't really make a lot of money off, they're gonna be at the store. And I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But it's right here. So this is the booth right here. So it's right here, and you know, we've got some bigger things over there in the back, some of those things, but all the little small, like headphones, like, you know, these are pretty cheap headphones. And so, you know, just a quick buck, because you get a lot of, you know, random stuff. But the thing is, sometimes it's hard to sell. And so once you keep, you know, buying more and more pallets, it keeps adding up. So you just got to get rid of it, you know, but you don't want to, you know, just give it up for free. So, you know, just put the price a little lower and you'll flip them. Either way, a lot of people don't like coming to like a thrift and pay a lot of money for things. So most of these things are pretty underpriced. But there's other booths over here, but that one's ours. So close too. Usually I go to Goodwill, but I found here one of the booths. I found some WWE super old shirts. They're for kids, but there's some OG shirts over here. But these are too small. I'm not sure. I gotta look up on eBay, see if I can flip those. But check this one out. This one's a NASCAR, but it's a little too overpriced. Yeah, it's $15. This shirt's are $3. I can get all those shirts for like 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet. So probably gonna pass on those. But I'm gonna look it up, see how much they are, and if they're worth money, then I'll probably buy it and flip it. This one's 50% off, $75. Honestly, I gotta look this one up on eBay, but this one's going for $25. Still a little overpriced because I wouldn't pay that, but there's people that would. But I gotta see how much I could resell it for. But the NASCAR stuff does really good for me, so I gotta see if this one's worth money. So it's a cool find, but I like paying low and selling high. So you gotta have your profit margins at the right spot in order to make money after the shipping and fees. So I need to look this one up. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys have a great day. This is vlog number 4. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, guys. Give me the feedback. Tell me anything, even if it's talking shit. Go ahead, do it. I want to hear it. So stay hustling, keep grinding, stick with your goals. This is a long journey, and I hope you guys stick with me. We're gonna build this channel. It's gonna be the best entrepreneur immigrant channel in the world, right? I got my brother with me. So take care, guys, and have a great day.